is Aryan Badghare. I am a student in second year of ICC Civil Engineering. I have completed my diploma in architectural design from CADD Centre, Southern. I have learned three softwares: first AutoCAD, Revit Architecture, and 3ds Max. The overall experience in this institute was really good. I have learned a lot, and I've learned these softwares under the guidance of Bhagyashree ma'am. The experience in this institute was really good. All the extracurricular activities and all the seminars conducted were really helpful. And with all this learning, I am looking forward to build a career in BIM.